Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. I do want to point out I've got the window open because it's quite warm here in North Lincoln, and so I do apologise for any background noise that you might hear. This is the happy summary card I have to share with you today. It's a happy birthday. So let's make another one together. I have here a piece of fresh freesia cardstock, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And the first set I'm going to use is this one called Amazing Phrases, and this is a free set during celebration. So for a qualifying purchase of £45 you can get this set for free. You can choose actually any set you want free from the Celebrations catalogue, and this is one of the sets I chose. So I'm going to use firstly this word amazing. I'm going to find a block that will fit it. Sometimes I put these diagonally across the block and it's perfectly fine. It just means it's going to fit nicely, and I think I'm going, in case I stretch it, I'm going to put it on like this. And then I know I haven't stretched it at all. Okay. And we're going to stamp in fresh freesia ink. So let's ink up our Stampin', get it all nice and inked up. Okay, and then I'm just going to stamp randomly around the border. So there we have amazing. So let's stamp it again somewhere else, maybe here. Just like that, and maybe like that. Okay, and that little bottom bit that didn't stamp so well is going to get covered up, so I'm not too worried about that. So let's bring up my simple chamois and give that a little clean up. Let me put that out there so it's well loved, but it still works a treat. And let's put this stamp back in its little home. And then the other one I wanted to use said hey. So that's here. There we go. And I don't need such a big block for that, so let's get a smaller one. And do the same thing. Just pick it up. Hey. And then let's see. Let's do one there. Maybe another one there, and then one over there. Let's see, do I want to put any more in? Maybe. Yeah, that'll do. Enough is as good as a feast. So, clean that one up. Get rid of this one. Put this back in this little home. Sorry for the crinkle. And the next stamp I'm going to use is this one called Biggest Wish. Okay, so let me get rid of the block. Get rid of this because we're going to stamp now on a piece of basic white. And I'm going to use my stamper artist for this just because I do want to try and get something lined up straight if at all possible. So I'm going to put that in the corner there, and I'm going to do happy birthday again. So I'm going to do birthday at the bottom here, and I'm maybe going to change my magnet's position, and I'm going to do happy up here, and then hopefully it looks straight to me. Hopefully it looks straight to you too. Pick it up. Make sure this is back in the corner. Ink this up again with fresh freesia ink. Give it a really good ink if you can. Okay, and down. And a really good press. There we go. I'm going to give it one more ink, I think. Lovely. So, where's my simple chamois? There it is. Give everything a little clean up. I'm just going to take the lid off. It's just easier, I find, to clean. You can just take the lid off. And I'm going to get rid of the birthday because we're done with that. And now, the happy. We're going to just put down in the middle somewhere. Try and line it up. And this is why I used the Stamparatus in the hope that there was a chance I could line things up properly. Didn't ink that up very well, did I? Okay. There we go. Okay, let's close that up. One final cleanie. What do you use to clean your stamps with? Do you use the simple chamois, the Stampin' scrub? What do you use? Let me know. What's your favourite method of cleaning your stamps up? I used to use the Stampin' scrub, and I still do at times, but these chamois cloths, I have to say, are a firm favourite with me. I have two that I've used for, I don't know how long it is since they came out with them. Years now, and I've used the same two, and it just keeps on going, and I love it because before that, to be honest, I did sometimes use baby wipes, and I just went through so many baby wipes, it was awful. But now, using the simple chamois, I hardly ever use baby wipes. It's really, really good. So, that is my sentiment. So, let's bring back our bits. Our card base is basic white. So that's a standard A6 card, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then let's stick this on our card base. I'm just using some seal here. Make sure I get it the words the right way around. Wouldn't do to have them upside down now, would it? Okay. Now you could pop this big piece up as well on some dimensional adhesive if you wish, but I'm not going to do that today. Now I'm just going to centre this in the centre here. You still see some of our words around the back. So let's bring in some finishing touches, some rhinestones here. This one's already trying to escape, so let's catch it before it does. I'm just going to put these in 3 corners because I'm going to put the ribbon in the last corner. And I quite often do this. I put the rhinestones at the 4 corners that almost look like they're pinning down your sentiment. I've got here some Fresh Freesia ribbon. And this is the open weave ribbon, which is really lovely if you can tie a bow, which not my forte, I should say, but we will give it a little go and hope for the best. Okay, well, that will have to do. Let's trim our tails just like that. Dot that there. Bring in our handy dandy glue dots. Look for the end. Glue dot. And then that will go there. And there we have our card. So, what do you think? I hope you liked it. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about the project, the supply list and the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.